Hey, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I got y'all a quick service update. Let me grab my phone here because I got some things I got to make sure to read off. But anyway, this video is to announce the first annual Go Power Sports Picnic. We're going to spit it out. So you can go on their website and get all this link because that's where I'm at right now here on my phone. So I'll make sure and give you as much info as I possibly can. But it's our first annual Pool Start Picnic. Got it that time. It's May 20th at Rockwood Go-Kart, their Rockwood Go-Kart track. Excuse me. Like I said, that's May 20th. So you need to go online to their website, gopowersports.com, and you can register there. And it is a limit 10 bikes per person. Need to register by May 12th. When you do the registry, you're going to get looks like you get a shirt, patch, wristband, and a shop bag. So cool stuff. So that you need to register by May 12th, folks. All this is on their Go Power Sports website because that's what I'm looking at. 10 bikes per person. So if you've never been to the Rockwood Go-Kart track, it is I have been there numerous times. It's very, very cool place. They got some awesome karts that they got, cool track, and they also got a cool miniature putt-putt golf course there as well. Really cool layout. But anyway, there's going to be all kinds of stuff to do for the kids, like sack races. I think they're having like some pedal cars. If you got a pedal car, bring your pedal car out. But if you got a mini bike, bring it out. They're going to have judging. Special judges are going to be taking place there to do the judging. Trophies. There's some cool trophies. I know this for a fact. I do, yeah. But anyway, there's going to be several different classes. I think there's 6 different classes maybe. So you got vintage, you got a wild side, what they call the wild side trophy. Micro, off-road. Then they'll have a GPS pick. Then they're going to have a, I guess, a participants pick. So a lot of different classes. So your mini bike could fit in one of those classes. You can get it registered. But it's going to be an awesome time. Like I said, it's going to be at their go-kart track. So everybody needs to make sure and come out. They're going to have food vendors there. They're going to have live music. It's going to be a big mini bike picnic. First ever one there. So hopefully this will be something that keeps growing. So we'll have one here in Texas every year, which is going to be awesome. I'll be there. So, like I said, go on their website, gopowersports.com. Y'all know this. And go ahead and get registered. That way you get your shirt size and all that stuff to them. And I'm definitely going to be there. Now, the dilemma is you can have 10 bikes per person. So, me and the wife's going, so we don't have a very big trailer. She's about got 10 bikes, and I'm pretty sure I got 10. So now the dilemma comes down to is what bikes we're going to load up and take. So, that's going to be our main problem, is which one of the bikes are we going to take? We still got to pick those out and figure out what we're going to take and see what all we can load up. We're going to go from there. Yeah, we got a couple. Kids out in the neighborhood riding the golf cart around. Oh, I spun around, yeah. So, anyway, make this a short video. So make sure and go on their website, get registered, get your mini bike shined up, or if it's an off-road dirty one, bring it dirty. It might be more character to add to the that off-road registration class, you know, if you enter in that class. But anyway, hope you all enjoy the video. We'll see y'all at the first ever PSP. Yeah, PSP. Pool Start Picnic from Go Power Sports. We'll see y'all there. Have a good day.